What I think has changed with large language models is that the technology isn't an issue anymore. Previously, teams had to invest quite a lot of effort and time into actually getting a model to do what they needed to do in order to deliver a product. And what that kind of led to is that many teams actually didn't build products and they especially didn't ship anything. They were kind of in a state of eternal experiments and research. And now with large language models and that modeling problem being solved, they actually have to adapt to being a team that can actually ship applications, that can build products, that can deliver something that is useful to their customers. The speed of that is going to be much faster than anything we've ever seen before. So if you look at your typical data science team that might have spent like, I don't know, half a year or a year to deliver a proof of concept before, now they'd be pretty much expected to ship that proof of concept to real users within a week or two, and then actually release a product that gets used by many people, probably within like 2-3 months. And that's something that a lot of teams will have a hard time adapting to, I think. Another change or problem that might arise with this new wave of large language models is that in the end, when you want to build a product, it's not just the model. You have many different components that you need to mix and match. You have to adopt the behavior to your users' needs. And teams right now are lacking a place to do it. So software development typically evolves around places. For a traditional development team, a place might be GitHub, where they communicate about their code, they create issues, they review code, they discuss things, and they spend their time working there. A product manager and a designer, their place might be Figma, where they discuss the designs, discuss the implications for a user of making a certain choice versus another choice. So they have that place. For a product building team that wants to ship LLM applications, that place, that platform doesn't exist because these old like data engineering focused platforms, they are definitely not a place where a team can communicate, can try out a model, can ship prototypes, and can gather feedback from real world users on how the model behaves and performs. So I really think get used to operating much faster, get used to shipping, and then find that place, that platform where your team can work.